Most macro investors are using AI like fancy Google search and only doing simple things like summarize this Fed statement. But I'm telling you, you're barely scratching the surface. Here are my top 3 favorite AI for macro use cases. And this is based on my experience as the #1 AI trainer on Wall Street. First, you can take raw FOMC statements and transcripts and extract out sentiment analysis. So is the Fed very dovish or very hawkish, and how do you compare that across time? Second, I have Claude Skills that compares what happened across all the central banks around the world, well, at least the major ones. So from that, I can actually build a global view of what's happening across not just the United States, but also across Brazil, Mexico, Japan, China, and more. And this really helps you pinpoint where liquidity is flowing, what the common consensus is, and from there, you can better determine what is happening across macro assets. And number 3, triaging sell-side reports. Sell-side determines consensus across sophisticated investors, and if you can download these sell-side reports and translate your triage prompt in right logic, you're able to get a view of what consensus is across the street. I actually created a top 100 list of the best AI macro use cases. If you want the PDF, comment macro below and I'll send it directly to your inbox.